Northwestern Europe, we have a big question around our energy security. The whole world is looking at hydrogen as one of the very important solutions. We need hydrogen as part of the energy mix because it's one of two really zero-emission solutions. There's not a lot of them, and there's very little production of it yet. So the whole idea of having to accelerate this by propagating this idea internationally also stems from the urgency of having to build a totally new market for hydrogen just to meet demand. Port of Rotterdam. It's one of the biggest ports in the world, biggest port of Europe, and a very important energy hub for Northwestern Europe. We're looking for projects that produce to do export to other parts of the world.
We are in Portollano, the biggest facility for producing green hydrogen in Europe. This is a 20-megawatt plant. It's a pioneer plant. It's the first one. So basically what we do here is we produce green hydrogen for our customer. Green hydrogen is that hydrogen that has been produced with only renewable sources. So we take the energy of the sun here in a photovoltaic plant, very, very close to where we are. And with this energy, we break water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The idea is that we produce this hydrogen and we can export it to other places like the Netherlands or Rotterdam, where it is more expensive to produce it.
We cannot do it alone. I mean, we cannot kickstart it by ourselves. Iberdrola, they achieve things, starting at reasonable scale, but with the ambition to go gigawatts, which is what we need, because we need a lot of production to meet demand in future.
Even though this is the biggest green hydrogen plant in Europe, the idea is that this is the first step in our alliance with our customer. So this plant is 20 megawatts. The idea is to go up to around 800 megawatts. So this is just the first one. Our plan is to expand not only in Portollano, but also in Huelva, in southern Spain. Our view in Iberdrola is that most of the economy can be decarbonized through renewable sources. But there's 15–20% of the economy where using these renewable sources is maybe not technically viable, not economically feasible. So this is where we have the hydrogen. For instance, petrochemicals, fertilizers, heavy mobility.
Port of Rotterdam has always been a bit of an innovator. You have to realize there's about 3,000 companies working in this port. So we have always been preparing for future change.
Green hydrogen, not for myself, but for all the team, Green Hydrogen team, is the way of participating in creating a better world. I mean, if we achieve a totally decarbonized economy through our effort, well, we are going to be very, very happy to be part of it.